Oh my god. Wait, what? I have to... Wait, what? When the hell? Damn, I passed it big time. I wasn't even looking at the map. Damn it. Drift King is back with a big ass truck. Driving like crazy, still not giving up. Beep. I gotta bleep that part out because it's not appropriate. Oh, I thought John or Joe. Why do I keep calling him John? I thought Joe left because of my shitty driving skills. So I gotta get out on the next highway, and this guy's gonna stop me from going too fast. Come on, I need to stop. I need an exit. Come on, hurry up. I can't pass this again. I don't think I'm gonna pass it. Am I? It doesn't matter. I'll just follow it. I'll just follow the red thingy. I forgot what it's called. Wait a minute. Should I? Oh, there. Damn, I should have kept going. Doesn't matter now. Well, does it? Let me see what's closer. Oh shit, what? No! No! Holy shit. Oh. Oh shit. I guess that's one way to do it. I thought those railings were there for safety, not freaking something that can break easily. Jesus Christ. I'm surprised I didn't even lose health. And we got here safely. Wow, that was surprising. Yep, that's a crazy ass day in the gangsta life. And trouble is here, I guess. Oh, never mind. People are here.
Carton of blues, if you please.
Yeah, I do.
Give me a carton of blues. All right. End it over.
I was sure that all the boxes were just gonna flip over and just I'd have to restart the mission.
Carton of reds, Vito.
Get it. Carton of red. Come on, show up.
Bingo. Here it is, sir. You're welcome. Come again.
Oh, damn it. Here comes trouble. Of course. Of course. It would happen.
What you selling, Mac?
You buying or just window shopping?
Maybe.
We're selling smokes. $2 a carton, $100 a crate.
I'll make you a deal. You fork over 10 cartons and maybe we'll let you and your buddy get out of here in one piece.
Hey, look, pal. How about you get back in your cute little car with your little friends there and I'll pretend I never seen you. Sound good?
You don't get it, do you, you fat motherfucker?
Oh,
this
shit.
is our turf, and it's gonna cost you to operate here. Now pay up.
You're the one who doesn't get it. You have any idea who you're talking to? One last chance. You walk away now and...
Yeah, I'll tell you who I'm talking to. A fat two-bit fucking Dago door-to-door salesman hawking stolen cigarettes on my turf. And it's time to close up shop, asshole. Okay, boys. I think it's time for...
Oh, they're gonna fire it. They're gonna firebomb it.
Shit, Joe! Oh, fuck. What do you say now, Porky?
What do I gotta say?
Oh, shit got real. Shit got real.
Come on, hop in that car and let's go.
You better be giving
Let's get
some
one of
cover and
these
ammo.
fucks and teach
I mean,
them a lesson.
cover and fire. Oh, they're running. Oh,
Step
hell
on
yeah.
it, Vito. He's getting away.
I got it floored, Joe. This thing won't go any faster.
You gotta give it a tune-up. If you can in this game. Hopefully you can. Oh, there's like a muscle car or something. 1950s muscle car. Great shooting for this sunset, of course. Yo, this guy's going quick as hell. How the hell is he going so fast? Oh shit, drift. Yo, this guy dipped. Like, he is not playing around. He does not want to get shot. Yeah, we're going quick. Like, extremely fast. Make it.
Shit. Now what?
Shit, we should check in with Eddie. Stop at the nearest phone booth and call.
Find a phone booth and call Eddie. Alright.
Drive like my fucking grandmother, you know that?
Shut up, Joe.
Nah, it wasn't that bad. Worse than abroad.
There's phone booth and right there. Damn it.
Relax. Take it easy, will you?
It's not my fault, man. It's your fault. Eddie. Yes. Hurry up, dial.
Eddie, it's me, Vito. Listen, we got a problem. We were moving the smokes, and then these greasers came out of nowhere and set the fucking truck on fire.
What? You fucking kidding me? You couldn't handle a bunch of grease balls? What the fuck happened?
Look, Eddie, hey, listen, it's not our fault, okay? They set the fucking truck on fire before we knew what was happening, and everything burned up. All right, we popped one of the guys, but
What do I fucking care? Just bring me my money. I paid $2 grand for that truck, and I want it back. Lucky for you two retards, I got Derek's guy Steve here with me. We were just talking about what to do with those punks. We're gonna take care of them now. Steve will meet you at the Crazy Horse. You know it?
okay. Crazy Horse, yeah, I know where it is.
Steve's gonna have a few guys with him. Show him that nobody fucks with us. No shooting, though, so it looks like just another gang fight. I don't want to read about a bloodbath in the papers tomorrow.
All right, sure. Don't worry. We'll take care of it.
Who the hell keeps honking the horn while I'm talking?
All right, we gotta meet Steve in front of the Crazy Horse. Good news is he's gonna help us out. Bad news is Eddie wants his money back. All $2 grand of it.
Shit. You really think we're gonna get 2 G's out of these guys?
Of course I am.
I don't know. We'll see what Steve's
We
got in
got
mind.
guns, don't we?
You know he ain't doing this out of the kindness of his heart. Let's go.
Empire Central. That's a good radio station right there.
He's fucking pissed on the phone.
Sure he was. Just like I'm pissed right now. Even if these assholes ain't got a dime, I'm
Damn
gonna
it.
kick $2,000 worth of shit out.
I'm with you. But what's Steve doing working for Eddie? He works for Derek, and Derek's with Vinci's crew.
How the hell should I know? But hey, you're still gonna take jobs from Derek, right? Even though you're working for Eddie? We all gotta do what we gotta do to get by.
Hey, Steve.
Hey,
Hey guys. Marty? What are you doing here?
Hey, Joe. I'm going with you on this one. Steve needed help. He said I could come along.
Steve, isn't this,
kids gotta learn sometime.
Okay, why are we here, Steve, huh? The guys we're looking for are all headed to the foundry.
This is where they usually meet, so we'll start here, then head over to the foundry to finish the job.
and, why'd you volunteer to help us?
Those bastards trashed my cousin's car. They robbed him and knocked out 3 of his teeth.
Yeah, those fucking assholes. They make problems all over the city. But just
Shut
take
up,
a day.
kid. I'm talking here. So, like the Bible says, an eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. And, well, we'll just start with this joint.
So what's the plan?
First, we're gonna trash this place.
And how are we gonna do that?
With this.
Oh shit.
Go ahead, boys.
Hey, come on, guys.
Now, you can either help us or stay out of our way.
Hey,
Let's
we're
go
the good
teach
guys.
These fuckers a lesson.
We're with you, remember that.
What the fuck was that?
Shoot up the bar.
That's fucking beautiful.
I don't really want to waste bullets. Nah, I'll do it anyway. Can I shoot him? No, I can't. You better be giving me more ammo. Do they ever reload? Oh, I got it. They do.
Okay, that's enough. Let's leave him a little present. Vito, Marty, I got some Molotov cocktails in the trunk. Go get them and throw them in.
Hell
My
yeah.
pleasure, Steve.
Take a Molotov from the trunk and bomb it. Can I get a couple to save? Wow, I went all the way in the back. Oh shit.